At least 3 people were killed and a woman critically injured in a suspected factional clash among Kuki armed groups at Mongjang village in Manipur's Churachandpur district this afternoon, according to local sources. Among the deceased was Thapi, also known as Thangboy, who served as the Deputy Commander-in-Chief of the Kuki National Organization, Kuki National Army, KNO-KNA. The group is currently under a suspension of operations SU agreement with the central government. Thapi was also the son-in-law of KNO President P.S. Haukip. Sources said the Thapi had reportedly been linked to the killing of Chingtham Anand Singh, a former Deputy Superintendent of Police in More, and was also allegedly involved in the looting of arms and ammunition from the Technopol police station during the peak of ethnic violence in June 2023. The injured woman, whose identity has not been disclosed, is receiving treatment at the Churachandpur District Hospital, sources added. Authorities have yet to issue an official statement, but the incident has raised concerns about growing tensions and power struggles within Kuki militant groups despite ongoing peace agreements. Security has been tightened in the region as investigations are underway.